The biggest thing for me in the business course was to have to actually develop a business plan. Putting it into practice for my own creation, my own company, was a different kettle of fish. I actually had to look at everything again, re-examine things, and I actually changed the direction thanks to that part of the course.
I learned from the business planning course some more marketing strategies that I can use in my business. That's been really useful to not just for my business but for my clients as well. And the lecturers really encouraged that discussion rather than just looking at the theory, which has been really, really helpful.
Participating in the course also made me realise what's really important in my business right now and what I need to focus on right now in order to move forward. Doing the course made me actually set a date for launch.
I've been in business now for almost 10 years and I needed to revisit my business plan because my business essentially looks nothing like it did when it started.
Just putting aside the time to focus on it. Sometimes we get caught up in doing more urgent, less important things and don't actually spend the time to strategise.
The panel at today's pitch were amazing. They were really lovely to speak to and had a lot of advice to offer, both from a financial perspective and as well going out into the community and furthering our business.
It helped us set out what we need to do to ensure sustainable growth in the business. We just want to make sure that we are pricing ourselves correctly. It just opens your eyes up to what you need to be aware of, especially if you're new in business.
One of the panel members actually had work experience with the forest industry in the past. That was an excellent opportunity for me to learn from her and receive productive advice.
I learned about getting the foundations right and checking out your market, being really clear about who your market is and how to go about it.
It's a game changer. Whether you want to start up or you have an existing business, I can highly recommend it to anyone.